Hi guys, welcome to the tutorial for Make Your Own Bracelet. In this edition, I'll be going over the rosewood with the opalite little accent pieces. If you have a bead tray at home, that's awesome. If not, a great substitute is just a piece of cloth so that your beads don't tend to roll away while you're working with them. Or if you have a small dish, like these little guys I have here, these are really wonderful. It helps you keep your pieces sorted. Nothing more frustrating than getting to the end of a bracelet and realizing you have not enough beads. All right. You start by laying your pattern out. On your workspace. And I like to count out the beads for each side so I know that I have the right amount before I get started. And for this project, let's see, I believe we're going to have 9 on each side. Nope, we got a little uneven, so we have 9 on one side, 10 on the other. The nice thing about these rosewood beads is that you can add your own essential oils, and you don't have to worry about putting it on your skin. If you have sensitive skin, or if you're someone who's really sensitive to topical essential oils, but you still want to enjoy the aromatherapeutic benefits. They do have a slight rose scent themselves, even if you don't put any oils on them. They've got all of the wooden beads strung, and now I'm moving on to the little brass spacers. These are really tiny and faceted, and they're really add a little variety. Next, we're going to go with the little opalite pieces. That's how your bracelet should look so far. Go ahead and alternate that pattern. So you have all your beads on. And once you do, I always like to do a quick measurement, and while I'm holding the beads in place, I like to make sure it's the right fit on my wrist. Everyone is a different shape and size, so you might want to have take a bead out to make it tighter. That's perfect. And that's a 7-inch bracelet, if anyone's keeping track. Next, I take off the little tape at the end and pull the elastic tight. You make your first knot. I emphasize holding the elastic tight is really important here. Then you want to do another knot right on top of that first one. All right. You can trim off the extra. And then hide your knot in one of the beads. And here is your completed project.